Unraveling the mystery of Snakebite and Black. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that might tickle your curiosity. Snakebite and Black. This isn't just any phrase. It's a unique combination that tells us a lot about culture, drinks, and linguistic creativity. Stay with us as we explore what it means, where it comes from, and how it's used. Whether you're a language enthusiast or just love picking up quirky expressions, this video is for you. First things first, let's break down what Snakebite and Black actually refers to. At its core, this phrase describes a popular alcoholic beverage made by mixing equal parts of lager and cider with a dash of blackcurrant cordial. The blackcurrant cordial gives the drink its distinctive dark color and sweet taste, contrasting with the sharpness of the cider and the bitterness of the lager. It's a favorite in pubs, especially in the United Kingdom, and known for its potent kick. The origins of Snakebite and Black are somewhat murky, but it's widely believed to have gained popularity in the UK during the late 20th century. Initially, it was associated with the punk rock scene, where it became synonymous with rebellion and a carefree lifestyle. Over time, its appeal broadened, making it a staple in student bars and pubs across the country. The addition of blackcurrant cordial, sometimes referred to as a splash of black, helped soften the drink's edge and appeal to a wider audience. Beyond just being a drink, Snakebite and Black carries a certain cultural weight. It's a drink that tells a story of social gatherings, musical movements, and youth culture. It also reflects the British penchant for inventiveness in pub culture, where mixing drinks becomes a form of expression. For English language learners, understanding such phrases opens a window into the culture and practices of English-speaking countries, particularly the UK. When it comes to language, Snakebite and Black is more than just a menu item. It's a colloquialism that embodies a sense of place and tradition. It's a perfect example of how language evolves with society, incorporating elements of lifestyle and identity. For learners, encountering such phrases highlights the importance of context in language learning, showing that language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, but also about culture and experience. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration into the intriguing world of Snakebite and Black. It's a phrase that captures the essence of a culture, telling stories of music, rebellion, and camaraderie. As you continue your journey in English language learning, remember that phrases like these are gateways into the hearts and histories of the people who use them. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the English language. Cheers!